Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video tutorial we will learn how to automatically hide the taskbar on your Windows 11. So for this guys, just you need to right click on your taskbar empty space like this and open the taskbar settings. Okay, and here just slightly scroll down and here you can get the option taskbar behavior. Just expand this option. Here you can get the option automatically hide the taskbar. Just you need to check this box. That's it, very simple. As you can see guys, the taskbar was hidden on my Windows 11. So if you want to access the apps pin on your taskbar, just move your cursor to taskbar like this, so the taskbar icons will appear. You can easily access it from here. If you want to hide that taskbar, just move that mouse cursor from your taskbar. The taskbar will hide automatically, as you can see. So if you want to unhide the taskbar, so just same thing, you need to uncheck that box which you have checked. This is the simple method to automatically hide the taskbar on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.